Somebody's threatening you in the drive-thru? Ma'am!
How dare you? How dare you?
Would you like me to call the police right now? I have other people. Call the police. Grab the phone right now.
What is your name?
911.
I want your name.
Ma'am, I have other cars in the... Okay.
Yeah, everyone else matters but me. You just take everybody's order and ignore me. Are you kidding me? What is your name?
Yeah, we're calling the police. I'm not dealing with them.
Unbelievable.
There you are.
What's going on?
Have a great day, ma'am.
I hope yours gets better.
Holy crap! Can you believe it? I'm sitting there. She's
Lady, I'm going to end up running over your foot. Move.
You're not. Go.
What is your...
How about I run over your foot on purpose?
Why would you give me your name?
Hey, move.
I'm gone.
You need to move.
You need to go.
Because I'm going to end up running you over or something.
Okay. So nobody will give me your name?
You're being aggressive.
Oh, yeah.
Get Zeus.
Yeah, you want... We're going to get her license plate number on the way out.
There's something wrong with her.
Yeah, I don't know, buddy.
Those Chevy SSR things, it's one of the weirdest looking vehicles I've ever seen. Fucking moron.
You're like actually taking all of that shit that's on the shoulder of the road and blowing it out onto the road. I don't have a way around this guy yet.
Come on, dude. What are you fucking kidding me, you dumbass? Fucking asshole. Ah, jeez. Yeah, looks like they're out there training. Fuck you, Sound Transit. Okay, nobody in front of you. We're going downhill in a 55-mile-an-hour zone. We're doing fucking 40. Fucking idiot. Okay, okay. I thought she was gonna come up into my fucking lane. Woo! Garage sale! Wow. Okay, Chevy, you can actually go. You guys kind of rough with people's boxes and shit. What are we waiting on? Seriously, how long does the light have to be green before you fucking go? Now that's how you take up 3 parking spaces. Hey, suck it, parking! That was illegal as all fuck. The guy almost backed into him. Did he seriously almost back into you? you
Get out of the way.
I'm sorry, but that's actually just too funny. Alright, I'll see you later. Wow. Oh, howdy. Marshmallow farming. Because the speed limit is only 35, and I'm doing 43. Ooh, yard sale. Oh, fuck you. Oh, you totally ran that. Yes, we all know you're there. Are you people gonna, like, get going? Wow, your car is all fucked up. Wow, you can barely see any brake light at all. What the fucking... it's a shoulder, not a merge lane. Yes, he's turning. He didn't have any lights for it, though.
And listen live, 99.9 KISW.
Where are we? Fucking really? Hey, suck it, parking! What are you... Really? The traffic circle is like fucking empty. Why did you have to fucking... What the fuck are you doing? You've been in the fucking turn lane this whole goddamn time. Really, dude? You don't do it like that. That's not how you fucking do it. Huh. What the hell, man? Okay, we're going downhill, and you're fucking slowing down when you're already doing 10 under. What the hell?
That white GMC should have moved over.
Yourself! Not very often people actually follow what they're supposed to do there, even though it pisses everybody else off.